Alright, so a couple people asked me how to get into tech repair or tech tinkering, so I figured I'd talk about it while I'm taking this Rogers Getaway apart. So basically for me it started super simple. I was curious, I wanted to see what was inside stuff. My first time disassembling stuff was with an old laptop. It was already not working anyways. I think it was this HP Chromebook. I wasn't really worried about breaking it basically. And trust me, I broke plenty of things. I snapped a bunch of plastic clips. I lost some screws. Completely destroyed a couple ribbon cables. But that's kind of the point. Those mistakes teach you what not to do next time. And if you're scared to break things, you'll never actually learn. The main thing I tell people is start with safe stuff. Do not fucking start with appliances. Don't open microwaves. Don't mess with TVs. Don't mess with ACs. Blenders. Anything that plugs into a wall that could hold a charge. Big appliances have capacitors that can still shock you even when they've been unplugged for weeks. It can kill you. It's just not worth it. I've opened toasters and blenders and even a TV before, but only because they've been sitting around for months to years, completely unplugged. Even then, there's still a risk, so I wouldn't tell someone new to start there. Start small, get an old controller, an old router, or a dead laptop. Just take it apart. Don't worry about fixing it yet. Just look at everything inside, see how it's put together. Once you get comfortable with that, then start learning what the parts are called. Like, learn what a RAM looks like, what a CPU socket is, what a capacitor and resistor are. You don't need to go full-on engineer mode. Just start recognizing stuff. That's when it gets fun, bro. Because when you see the problem, you can actually have an idea of what you're looking at. And then try putting it back together, and this part will fucking humble you because you think you're slick until you realize you forgot where one tiny screw goes and the whole thing doesn't fucking close right. That's how you get better, because you'll start organizing screws, taking pictures before pulling stuff apart, and being way more careful. When you've got that down, then start actual fixes. Swap out a fan, clean the fan, replace some RAM, change a hard drive, replace the display. That's how you go from just ripping stuff apart to actually repairing things. Now, I'm even starting to learn to solder, but that's a whole other world, and that's how you start fixing broken power jacks, replacing capacitors, stuff like that. But I'm not gonna pretend I'm a pro yet. I still mess up, and that's okay. That's where I'm at right now. And one last safety thing, even when you're working on safe stuff, always remove the battery first, or at least disconnect it. Lithium batteries can puff up or even catch fire if you accidentally short something, so play it safe. So yeah, that's pretty much my advice. Be curious, start small, make mistakes, and learn the names of stuff. Try putting it back together, then start doing small repairs, and eventually learn soldering. That's literally how I got and started learning every single day. If you can stay patient through the failures, you'll actually get good at this stuff.